Wow. Thank you for signing up to Sniper CRM. Now, the next thing you have to do at this point is to add category. You add category by clicking Add Category. On this window, you simply put your category name. So if the product you want to sell is health-related product, okay, you can put health as the category. Then your brand name, maybe the name of your company or the brand. So if your brand name is Health Pro, you type Health Pro. And your brand phone number that will be shown on your invoices and SMSs that will be sent to your customer, you put it there. And your brand WhatsApp number, for now, you have it as none. By the time you are done setting up your store, you can create a WhatsApp number for yourself of this, for this brand, right? Under the WhatsApp marketing section, okay? But for now, you leave it as none. And then your email, the email address you want to be on all your invoices being sent out to your customer, and your SMS sender ID, that will be the sender ID for SMSs sent out to customers. And you can only type 11 characters here. It won't allow you to type more than 11. When you are done, you click Save. Automatically, it will direct you to the next step, which is to create your product. To create your product, you select the country you want to sell the product to. You type your product name. So if your product is Agbo, for example, you put Agbo. The product stock, the quantity of the product you have as at the time of creating this account. So let us put 100. Then the category, you select the category you created in the previous screen. Does this product have a variation? So what is variation? Maybe color, maybe size, and any other kind of variation you can think of. So if your product doesn't have any variation, you select no. If it does, you select yes. So in this setup, I will select no. Now, do you have an offer? What is an offer? An offer is simply a means of you adding multiple quantity of your products. Maybe buy two, get one free. That's an offer. Or get 40% discount. That's an offer. So if you don't have any of that, you just select no. And on the next section, you have the cost price of 1 unit of your product. So how much are you buying 1 unit of your product? Let us assume it's 1,500 naira. You put that there. Then this is the quantity that will appear on your form, which your customers can now order for. You can now say, okay, 2 units. So this unit section can be 2 units, 2 packs, 2 bottles, as the case may be. So let me just put units. Now selling price. How much are you selling 2 units of this product? 10,000 naira. As you can see, there's no comma separating this figure. Next, you click add more, and you can add as many as you want. So I can say 3 units is sold for 15,000. 4 units is sold at 20,000. So if I don't want this, I just click this X and it's going to cancel it for me. You can see now recurring means products. This product you're adding here, is it a recurring product? That means, will the customer buy it every week or every month? Like supplement, for example. If it's no, if it's not, you say no. If it is, you say yes. And then you select the recurring duration. Is it weekly, monthly, or yearly? You select and you save it. What it does is that Sniper CRM will send you a reminder on WhatsApp and SMS few days before their stock is exhausted. So in this example, I will select no. Once you are done, you click add product and it's automatically saved. The next step is to create your form. This is the form that will be on your sales page. So you give your form a name. So let's say form 1. Then you select the product, that product we created earlier, as you can see. Then you have the form fields, your name, your phone number, your WhatsApp, email address, address label, state label, and then the product quantity display option. So all of this, you can decide to show them on your form, like the email address now, you can decide to say, okay, I don't want to show email address on my form, or I want to show it on my form, but I don't want it to be a required field. Required field means field that if they don't fill it, it will not allow them submit the form, right? So, and you can also change all these labels. So instead of saying your name, you can say your full name. You can change it as you want it to be, all right? Then product quantity display as, when your customers want to order your products, how do you want it to be shown to them? Is it as a drop down or as a radio button option? So in this example, I will select drop down option. Additional fields. If you have any additional field, maybe your local government, you want them to fill it on the form, but you have to now select here to show this on the form. If you want it to be mandatory, they must fill it. You select this also. Then any other additional field, maybe, are you ready for this product right now? Then you put the option, yes, of course, or not yet, or just simple yes and no. Then you enable it here so that it can show on the form, which is this, show on form. All right. Then all of this has been set for you as default. So if you want to change anything here, for example, the submit button background color, you might want to change it to your own desired color. Select the color here. The same thing with every other thing here, the button text, button border color, border radius, and everything. But the figures here are default, which is good enough for you to set up your store and start selling right away. Submit button text, the text that shows on your submit button, order now, or place my order now, process my order, whatever, you type it there. So like I said earlier, all the default values here allows you to get started with your Sniper CRM account in less than 3 minutes. Okay. Order bump, just leave it as default. Upsell, leave it as default. Then you copy your thank you page from the address bar. When you open your thank you page in your browser, just copy the address bar and from the address bar and paste it here. For your payments option, default is cash on delivery. Now, WhatsApp store number, you want customers to be rerouted to WhatsApp once they place an order. You put the number you want them to reroute to here, and then this is a default message that would show on the WhatsApp web when they want to redirect. And this is the email address that you want to receive orders. So you can add more email addresses by separating them with comma and then just put the email addresses. So your own email address or your customer support staff's email address, you put them there, but you use a comma to separate them, right? And when you are done, you click add form. At this point, I'm going to tell you congratulations, because you have successfully set up your Sniper CRM account. And I can't wait to have you using this. The final step to do is to copy this form code here. Form code iframe or no iframe. Any of them works. But this no iframe allows you to track the submit button on your Facebook events management tool, while this iframe cannot capture that submit button. So for a start, go with this. Copy form code iframe. So let us preview the form we just created. As you can see here, it's going to open the preview of the form. Look at it here. So this is how your form is going to appear on your sales page. Okay. You can see, you can always change all of this subsequently. So you copy form code iframe, open your page builder, and you paste it. Now open your sales page in your page builder. Now our code works with any page builder, be it Elementor, Thrive Architect, InstaBuilder, any page builder at all. All you have to do is locate the spot on your page where you want that form to appear. And then this is Thrive Architect, right? So in your own page builder, it might be different, but what you are looking for is HTML. As you can see here, custom HTML. Then you drag it to the spot where you want that form to appear, and you simply paste that code which you have copied from Sniper CRM, and you save. Immediately you save it, the form will appear like this. Then you can save and preview to see how it looks like on your form. As you can see, this is the form on this sales page, right? So at this point, you're ready to start selling. As customers fill this form, you will see all the orders under your orders section. All right. Then you can start processing every single order, and you have access to every of these features for 14 days free. So you have 14 days to explore everything on Sniper CRM and see if it's a good fit for your business, which I'm sure it is going to be a good fit for your business. All right. Thank you so much once again for signing up to Sniper CRM, as I look forward to helping you build your e-commerce business, helping you manage your e-commerce business, and helping you scaling your e-commerce business beyond your wildest imagination. Good luck.